Good evening, Juanita Phillips with ABC News. The Mayor of the Blue Mountains says it's incredible that no homes were lost when a major bushfire flared up at Wentworth Falls yesterday. The fire is now largely under control, but authorities are investigating what caused such a serious blaze to break out in the middle of winter. And there are warnings it could be a sign of a difficult fire season ahead.
When night fell, the sky turned red. Firefighters braved choking smoke and soaring flames to protect homes just metres away.
How we didn't lose property, I don't know. To quote their superintendent, David Jones, they walked on water last night. That's what he told us at a briefing this morning. Absolutely superhuman effort.
Residents are thankful they escaped unharmed.
This is my beautiful home. It's still standing, thanks to the firemen. There's not much left to burn, I don't think. If you look out here, it's all pretty black.
The fire just came over my shoulder. It got pretty hairy pretty quickly, and we were just told, go, get out of the way.
It's hard to believe that just weeks ago the Blue Mountains were under a dusting of snow.
This highlights to me and should be a reminder to the entire community that natural disasters don't go by seasons.
Even experienced firefighters are surprised to see bushfires in the middle of winter.
In the northern part of the state they do sometimes happen, but in this area it's very unusual. In sort of the Blue Mountains and the Greater Sydney area, very unusual to get it this early. I can't actually remember the last time it happened.
The rugged terrain around Wentworth Falls is causing headaches for firefighters planning backburning operations, and they're looking at bringing in remote area specialists who may need to be winched in by helicopter. So with the blaze already underway, what's the outlook for the fire season proper? An El Niño weather event is forecast along with above average temperatures and below average rainfall.
So we know from history these are the ingredients for a major fire season in this part of the world.
Investigators are treating this fire as suspicious because there are no obvious natural causes. Nicole Chettle, ABC News.
And ABC reporter Adrian Rochella is at the fire front near Wentworth Falls this evening. Adrian, what's the latest?
Well, Juanita, the threat has eased somewhat for residents up here. The RFS tells me that they now consider the blaze to be largely under control but not yet contained. So most of the 200 firefighters who have been working up here over the last few days, they've been sent home tonight to get some much needed rest, although there will be patrols throughout the evening. Now, the weather tonight, it's expected to get down to -1 degree in the mountains. It's actually just starting to spit above us, so perhaps there's some rain on the way, and the winds have calmed right down and they're expected to stay calm throughout the night. So hopefully that recipe of weather conditions should mean a calmer night for residents. Right now it's officially 3 degrees, but it's literally freezing cold up here, Juanita, because with the wind chill, the apparent temperature is -3.5 degrees. So while the RFS is telling residents to remain vigilant tonight, hopefully they can sleep a little easier with these calmer conditions. Now, the RFS will be back out there tomorrow back burning, and the helicopters will be back out there water bombing this fire. They hope to keep the fire under control and have it contained within the next few days.
From bushfires to sub-zero temperatures, Adrian Rochella reporting there from the Blue Mountains.